Hi everyone, this is Anil. In this video, we'll talk about ITOM Visibility Resource Library. So Steve Emerson has put together a community page which has all the resources available for ITOM Visibility. In this video, we'll do a walkthrough of that. Let's get started. As you can see, this is the page, and it has a slide which talks about various uh, how to achieve service operations excellence with ITOM visibility. And here we talk about various components like certificate, inventory and management, firewall audits and reporting, tag governance auditing, Oracle license data collection for GLAS, multi-source CMDB, service mapping, tag-based, ML-based and top-down, cloud-native operations visibility, and ACC. Right, all of these are mentioned here. And then the features and descriptions are also mentioned here, starting with discovery all the way through cloud-native operations. And then there are all these various links. So let's try to click on these links and see where they'll take you to. The first one is getting started with ITOM visibility. So let's click on that. So this is taking us to a community page which has, uh, okay, I think it's taking us back to the same page, the first one. Okay, the next one is ITOM visibility overall end-to-end demo. So let's look at that. So this is a tech talk where, okay, they have done a demo. So I think this should be a good one to watch. Okay. Then we have one more tech talk. This one is on YouTube, so it's a 1 hour video, right? Okay. This is on December 2015, so a recent one. And third one is ITOM Visibility Q4 2022 store release blog. So this talks about various store releases that happened. And then we have Discovery. So for Discovery, let's see what is there. Application fingerprinting demo. That's a nice one here. That's a YouTube video again. And then we have Tech Talk Advanced Discovery Use Cases. So, and then we have how to discover vCenter in less than 1 minute. I think this is an amazing video because vCenter discovery is one of the common use cases that you will see. So that is that. And let's come back here. And then we have Discovery Process Guide. This is taking us to now create. So okay, I really appreciate this collection because it is like one-stop shop for all your ITOM visibility resource needs. So this is taking you to the now create. So once you log in, it will take you there. And then we have discovery process workshop presentation. So next we'll look at discovery process guides, right? All these. So this is a workshop presentation. Again, it takes you to now create. So yeah, amazing repository of all this process guides. So you can directly, with a minimal amount of effort, you should be able to start a customer workshop. And then discovery starter stories, again, great place to start a discovery implementation. And then discovery troubleshooting guide. Okay, let's see what is this one here. Okay. So, okay, awesome. So it's a troubleshooting guide which will help you with the common issues that you may encounter in discovery implementation and troubleshooting patterns with uh, command validation tool. So looks like a community article. Oh, this is a capability within ServiceNow where you can, this should help you troubleshoot it. Okay, awesome. And next we have how to get started with ITOM discovery, right? Again, some basic getting started guide. And then next we have cloud discovery overall. So I'm just going to close some stuff here. So manage multi-cloud resource visibility from a single pane of glass. And then Tech Talk again, YouTube video, which talks about solution ensuring resilient operations. So then there's discovery of cloud resources by bring your own BYOL, bring your own license, right, for those. Okay, awesome. So next set of uh, links are for AWS. So you have AWS Cloud Discovery blog. Again, this looks like a repository again, which has multiple uh, links here, right? Then next we have AWS Cloud Discovery demo. So how do you do the discovery of AWS Cloud? That's that. And then finally, how to configure AWS Cloud schedule demo, right? Okay, very useful things. And then we have similarly for Azure, like same pattern, uh, how to's, like two of them, discover Azure Cloud, configure Azure event-driven discovery, and then finally map applications deployed in Azure with tag-based service mapping. Okay, this is interesting, right? We are leveraging tag-based service mapping within cloud. And the next is GCP, how to configure GCP discovery demo, then how to map applications using tag-based discovery, right? So I think this piece is missing in AWS. We have not seen how to map applications using tag-based discovery in AWS. But yeah. Then is Kubernetes. So build with cloud engineers episode 2. Then so sorry, beers with cloud engineers episode 4. How to track changes in Kubernetes. How to manage and visualize Azure Kubernetes service application lifecycle within ServiceNow. Okay. And then you have data collection for Oracle Global Licensing and Advisory Services. That's that. It looks like a very powerful feature because I've seen a lot of discussion on this topic. And then, okay, we have a whole set of service mapping pieces here, right? And then a lot of focus on ACC. How do you deploy it? How do you enable audit and reporting? And then certificate inventory management, tag governance, and more use cases for ACC and cloud native operations, and some setup for deploying a containerized mid server in Kubernetes and build a containerized mid server. And then there is this ITOM Visibility and Governance webinar series, and it talks about ACC, how to manage certificates. And then you have this Cloud Center of Excellence, part 1, part 2, and ITOM Visibility streamlines IT asset management. Wow, this is interesting, right? So we are also touching the asset management from CMDB space. How to manage services quickly with automated service suggestions. The ML is coming into play here. How to manage and deploy ACC at scale. I think this one should be interesting because I think deploying at scale is a key ask in many of the customer implementations. So that is that. And it also comes with a guide, so you can also read it along with watching a video. So, and then moving to cloud governance, there's a blog and there's a workshop demo and cloud governance, configuration governance demo. There is Terraform connector, again, very useful feature. So there's a demo on this one. And then we have all the store apps which are available. There is a remediation playbook. I'll be really interested in this one because, yeah, we want to be able to remediate issues. So, yeah, I'm going to mark this as helpful. And see that it's a single, so yeah, it's a very useful community link, I would say, which has everything in one place. Right, so we should really appreciate Steve for putting this together, and yeah, and for everybody who's promoting this on social like LinkedIn. Yeah, thank you for watching.